Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the project management tool. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, project management tools are specially designed to assist an individual or team in organizing and managing their projects and tasks effectively. The term PM tools usually refers to project management softwares and project management tools you can either purchase or even use for free online. Despite the name, project management tools are not just for project managers. Project management tools can be customized to fit the needs of team of different sizes and with different goals. So first tool is the planning or scheduling. PM tools allow you to plan and delegate work in one place with tasks, subtasks, folders, templates, workflows and calendars. Next is the collaboration. Friend, collaboration means emails should not be your only form of communication with project management tools. You can build a better way of working with your team, assign tasks, add comments, organize dashboards, and prove or approve the changes. Documentation. This is another very important tool. Avoid missing or outdated files with file management features that allow for editing, versioning, and storing the files. Evaluation. That means track and assess productivity and growth through resource management and reporting. So these are very simple tools for project management, friend, and if you want to become a very good and successful project manager, so you should use these tools, which are basically much better than by using a software rather than using these tools for yourself to successfully complete a project. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.